is Down Palmer with GoldStar ATM, and today we're going to be teaching you how to correctly sanitize your GenMega G2500 without damaging the electronic components. So you're going to start by grabbing your sanitation solution and spraying it away from the ATM directly onto a cloth or a paper towel. So after you've sprayed the sanitizing solution on your paper towel, you can go ahead and wipe all the areas where the customers may have touched, such as the function keys, the screen, the rail, and the electronic pin pad. And after that, you can dry it with the other side. And that's how to clean your GenMega G2500 without damaging any of your electronic components.